friends, welcome back to the channel Sai Tech Guru. Finally friends, I'm back with the charging speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2. So this is another most requested question asking me to compare between these both phones. The main reason is because the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the huge battery capacity, but still this phone was able to charge 100% within close to 35 minutes of time. It's really very fast. And let's check. When you compare with the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device, how much difference we're going to expect. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, and I'll try to write down the percentage for every 10 minutes, 50% what time it took, and 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 100%, and fully charge as well. I'll try to write down all the details A to Z clearly. So right now the both phones they do have the 1% in their mobile phones. Right now you'll be able to see exactly 1% of the charging. And there is no background running applications, and there is no live wallpaper, there is no 4G, nothing at all, there is no Wi-Fi right now at this moment. And let's start the charging test exactly around 1% of the time. So let me need to connect to the plugs at this moment. Right now, as you can see, when the stopwatch is also started, and both phones are charging exactly from the 1%. You can clearly see, and the super torch charger and the flash charge indication also we did get at this moment. Clearly you can see both phones are charging. That's perfect. And in the starting test, let's see the temperature is of 30 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius. Not bad, slightly higher. But let's see friends, after 10 minutes of time, which phone will be having what kind of battery percentage and how much temperatures both phones can actually reach. So these are the few things which I'll try to exactly demonstrate and compare side by side in this entire video. So I'm going to be back in the next after 10 minutes. So right now, as you can see friends, exactly 10 minutes and 15 seconds of time. You can see the battery charging, how it's charged. So iQOO 7 is at 37% and Realme GT Neo 2 is at 43% of the battery capacity, 43 for the 10 minutes of time. You can clearly see how it's increasing, 37 and 43. Let me need to close the lock screens. And these are the readings for the first 10 minutes of time only friends, and 37 and the 43% of the battery. Both phones got charged. Let me need to write down the readings at this moment. And let's check what about the temperatures. Temperature 31 degrees Celsius, not bad, and 35.8 degrees Celsius, little bit kind of high temperatures. So all the iQOO 7 was maintaining around close to 32 degrees Celsius only during this time of demonstration, nothing much huge temperatures. So as I said, the iQOO 7 slightly kind of improved in terms of the temperatures. It's not increasing high temperatures. The Realme GT Neo 2 went up to 35 degrees Celsius and iQOO 7 was at still slightly kind of close to 31 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it will be increasing to 32 degrees as well after some time. I think the Realme GT Neo 2, it should be 50% any minute. Right now the time is about 11 minutes, right now it's 48%. Sometimes it takes 11 minutes and sometimes 12 minutes, so slightly kind of here and there, so you can definitely give that kind of time. So I'm going to be back after 20 minutes of time, then we can able to check what is happening between this both phones. So final friends, we are getting close to exactly 20 minutes of charging continuously. Let's see exact 20 minutes. I'll try to turn on the lock screens, and 67% and 75%. You can clearly see here what is happening in 20 minutes of charging, 67 and 75%. So not bad friends, in terms of the charging speed, both phones were very good. So let's check the temperature, 33 degrees Celsius right now, and this one is 35 degrees Celsius. On the back side, 34 degrees Celsius on the back side, 34, and on the back side 35. So 34 and 35 degrees Celsius. So both we are trying to detect at this moment. Let me write down the readings. So 34 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. So let's see friends, how much time difference can it be there between these both phones. Until now, the Realme GT Neo 2, which can actually charge really very much faster than expected friends. As you can clearly see, these are the results, live proof which we got right now at this moment, which clearly shows what is happening with this Realme GT Neo 2. Even though the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery capacity, but still it's really very fast. So let's see, again I'll be back after maybe close to 30 minutes of time. In the 30 minutes we'll be able to observe how much kind of percentage the both phones did reach to what kind of percentage. Again I'll be back after 30 minutes. So meanwhile, in case if you have any other queries regarding this both phones, make sure to check the playlist which are created for the both devices. The playlist will give the clear idea what is going on with the phones, whether is it worth to buy this device or not. So I can be back after 30 minutes. So right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching very close to 30 minutes of time, and let me just show you what is the battery percentage in both phones exactly around 30 minutes. So at 30 minutes, I'll try to show you the battery percentage in both phones, how much it got charged. I'll try to turn on the locks. You will be able to see on the iQOO 7 device, but you won't be able to see on this Realme GT Master Edition, Realme GT Neo 2, not Master Edition, sorry. So overall, it should be kind of very close to each other. Nothing much huge difference should be there between both phones. So right now 30 minutes exactly, and the battery percent reached to 96% on the Realme GT Neo 2 and 94% in the iQOO Sound device. As you can see, it's 96%. Wow. Even with 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and this one has got 4400 mAh of battery capacity only and 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So 94% for 30 minutes of charging, and temperature should be kind of really cool. I think 33 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius. Both phones are exactly 33 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna be back when both phones gets close to 99% of the battery or 100%. Then we'll be able to understand what is happening. 100% and full charge. So these two statistics I'll try to write down. Okay, they're two different things you should definitely understand. So friends, not bad. Even the iQOO Sound phone also can charge, but Realme GT Neo 2, even with I think close to 600 milliamperes more than the iQOO Sound device, but still this phone was able to charge faster than the iQOO Sound device. So maybe with the recent update, this phone got slightly slowed down in the charging speed. That's not a big deal, but just I want to mention this few things. 97% right now in the Realme GT Neo 2, 97%. Let's see what happens and how much more time it's gonna take to 100% charge. I'm gonna be back after some time. Right now we're close to 99% in this Realme GT Neo 2, 99%, as you can clearly see, friends, and the time is about close to 33 minutes of time. 99% and 97% in the iQOO Sound device at this moment. So iQOO Sound device, sometimes it takes 35 minutes and sometimes 40 minutes as well, but in my usage I did not cross above, I think close to 35 minutes only. It used to take 35 minutes, 37 minutes. And Realme GT Neo 2, which is about 99% right now. So in any minute the phone can actually reach the 100%. So maybe 34 minutes, let's see what happens. Still showing 99% only. I'm trying to show you exactly for every after 10-15 seconds, just as a reminder, because we don't get that kind of symbol as well. Right now the iQOO Sound device reached to 99% and it's charged 100% instantly. And the Realme GT Neo 2 still showing at 99%, and the iQOO Sound device charged 100%, 34 minutes of time. 34 minutes of time the iQOO Sound did charge, and the Realme GT Neo 2 99% only, still showing the symbol. And one more quick note, the iQOO Sound device fully charged. There is no charging animation, nothing at all. That's another thing you should definitely understand. No charging animation showing in this phone. Fully charged, so it's complete. And 99% still it's going on. Very quickly the iQOO Sound reached from 98 to 100%. So usually it takes some time, but today it took very quick time. It did not take. You did see in front of the camera how it fast charge from 99 to 100%. Right now, even the Realme GT Neo 2 also showing charger indication, as you can see, friends, clearly completely charged. There's no animation, and I got the notification saying that charging complete. As you can see just now, I did get the notification. So friends, 35 minutes of time the Realme GT Neo 2 took complete charge, and iQOO Sound took about 34 minutes of time. So only 1 minute difference is there between these both phones in terms of the fully charging symbol. So as I said, sometimes the fully charge will happen, sometimes the fully charge will happen after 7 to 8 minutes of time. So it's random in the Realme GT Neo 2, but in the iQOO Sound device, 34 minutes always. It maintains this kind of consistency always. Yes, that's the one thing. This is a quick charging speed test comparison between both phones, which lot of users are actually waiting for this review. So here's a final video, friends, for you all. I hope you like it, this video, and make sure to hit that like and also comment how you feel about this video. And don't forget to check out the playlist which I created for both phones. The playlist will give a clear idea of what is going on between the both phones, which phone to buy and all those, etc. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review, and overall the Realme GT Neo 2, it looks really good in terms of the fast charging, and the final temperatures are about 31 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius. Nothing much huge difference. Same kind of temperatures both phones are having at the end of the charging test. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay for updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.